What's up everybody, it's your girl Deanna C and I am back with another Majorette tutorial. First of all, let me say thank you to all my subscribers that have subscribed since my last video. We are up to 700 subscribers and now I would like for us to get to 1,000 subscribers. So make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my videos and share. I want to start out by shouting out one of my subscribers, Ashley Harper. She has been able to design her own team uniforms using my tutorials. So if you have any photos of your work, go ahead and email it to me to divinedanceallstars@gmail.com. Also, if you guys are interested in having me to make your uniforms, you can go ahead and email me as well. Now we're getting started with a new video tutorial of cutouts. We're going to use a unitard, I'm sorry. Now I know I have been gone for a really long time. It's not because I didn't want to make any videos or anything. It's because I am a working mom and sometimes I have to prioritize certain things. I not only do uniforms, but I also do dance mixes as well. So if you're also interested in having a dance mix done, also email me. So once again, our tutorial for today is a unitard with cutouts. So here are the materials that I am using. If you guys would like to know where to purchase these materials, I do have another video that is linked below. In order to do this cutout, I used a top, like a container top, but in all honesty, I found out using that container top was too big, so instead I used a soup can, which became the more accurate size when I did the other uniforms. So I'm just doing some cutouts on the sides. I did cut out the arms. I also cut out one of the legs to do a half leg, and so now I'm making cuts on the side. So as you can see, I have the soup can. I later went back and used that instead of the container top for my other uniforms, and it came out a lot better. The sizes were a lot smaller, and so basically you kind of have to eye it depending on the size that you want. I suggest practicing on a throwaway uniform, especially if you're making them for your team or for a client, and make sure that your scissors are really good. And I'm just gonna stop talking and I'm gonna let you guys watch the video.